You have a bird named Phenyx?
Yeah, it's over there.
Dr. Nixon is making his rounds and checking in on referrals from the emergency room.
That's Turner's case.
That's okay, we're all in the family.
We just got the test results back with Phenyx, and we confirmed that Phenyx does have chlamydia. And this disease actually is what's called zoonotic.
A zoonotic disease can pass from animal to person if you're not careful.
And this is the one with the giant spleen?
Yeah, her spleen is pretty much the size of her head.
Do you have the chlamydia?
Yeah, I'm trying not to kiss her.
I know, we're not supposed to kiss birds that have zoonotic diseases.
I have never in all my years ever seen a person get it.
Fortunately, Phenyx escaped death's door with an early start of antibiotics.
She looks great.
She looks a lot better. You can see how she's sitting, see how wide she is, and she's kind of sitting down a little bit more because she's still weak.
Was she looking pretty dopey when she came into
She
the ER?
couldn't stand or perch.
You're like Captain Marvel.
Oh, God, some days.
That's lovely.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Eat your vitamins.
Thankfully, antibiotics are amazing. And so we were able to bounce her back. And now that we have a diagnosis and a good treatment plan, we're gonna be able to follow through, and Phenyx will be okay.
Ready to go home? Where are you going?
Phenyx can be reunited with her new family.
Here's our girl.
Pretty girl.
See who's here.
Come on, dear.
Well, she's doing much better.
You happy to see Mommy?
Oh, I'm so happy. She does look a lot better. She's not falling over. Her eyes were open.
I missed you and your sweet talking and chirping.
Girl, I was so
She's a little
worried.
rock star with everyone.
For now, Phenyx is going home because it's really the best place for her to recover. But she's still not out of the woods yet, and neither is her family.
Sending Phenyx home with chlamydia comes with a risk of exposing the whole family.
My husband is allergic to all antibiotics, so her having chlamydia is a concern. If he did get it, I don't even know what we would do.